Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your Nokia is ready. Check that the camera app has permission and that internet is available for links. Open the camera app and choose photo or dedicated QR mode if visible. This matters because some Nokias use the main camera to detect codes. Once done, steady your hand and hover the camera so the QR fills about 1/3 to 1/2 of the frame. This helps autofocus and accurate decoding. Now focus on framing. Place the QR code in the center and keep the phone roughly 6 to 12 inches away so the camera can focus. If the view is blurry, tap the screen to force focus. This improves contrast and lets the scanner read tiny modules. Make sure there's no glare or shadow. Move slightly to change lighting. Once the code is recognized, the camera or a small banner will display a link or action. Tap that prompt to proceed. Finally, tap the on-screen banner to open the URL, add a contact, join Wi-Fi, or trigger the intended action. This step executes the QR payload, so double-check the destination before proceeding. If nothing happens, make sure camera is updated and permissions are granted, or install a trusted QR scanner app. This often resolves compatibility gaps. One key troubleshooting tip: clean the lens and increase lighting, then restart the camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.